Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world. I am underscore Naliaho. We are in Nyabohanse village, just walking lazily, enjoying the village view of everywhere, the farms, the houses, and everything. With my crew here, there they are. Here there is a signage of forestry. I'll have to change my camera so that you can see. We're just having our walk in Nyabohanse village. I can see people have planted onions. This is I don't know if they're leafy onions or the bulb onions. They seem to have grown well, and the hailstorms did not affect them. I can see they are doing well. The hailstorms that happened here in Nyabohanse village, I don't know, like a month ago or 1.5 months ago, brought a lot of it brought about a lot of damage to farmers, their crops. You can even see this cassava. Since the hailstorm came, they were destroyed by the hailstorm. Yeah, we're just enjoying yourselves walking in Nyabohanse village, the road. You can see ahead of me, there's a boy herding cows. These are big cows, massive cows. Marahaba. These are bulls. Very serious bulls. In our place, they are more fierce. They can charge at you. Here I can see they are not that aggressive. This is the river where I usually see people come wash their clothes, right about there behind that cow. River Nyabohanse. So we are at that bridge. I also want to join my colleagues down there. We are at the underbridge of the river Nyabohanse. River YouTube. Oh, this is the River YouTube. Wow. We've come here, just come to enjoy ourselves. I want to get inside there so that John can shoot me. I want to go under the bridge.
Can you get back there? Bathing, a shower.
I don't know. I've never showered under a bridge.
Huh?
Yeah, I am. Very fresh water.
Come closer. Come closer. I gotta go under the bridge. How about there are spiders here?
No.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. River Nyabohanse. Yeah? This is how we are enjoying ourselves.
Yeah.
I'm under the bridge. Huh?
Yeah.
All right. It feels great.
It is very good.
I can do some breakdance.
Yeah.
You stand there and do some breakdance.
Okay.
Yes. Having fun, doing some crazy things. It's all good. We have to enjoy ourselves. There he is. So guys, I am Nyabohanse, and today we came here to just walk around.
Yeah.
I wanted to come under this bridge, and now that I'm, it's called Nyabohanse what? Fema. River YouTube. Yeah, the YouTube river in Nyabohanse. And we are glad to be here. And it's very refreshing anyway.
Yeah.
Where else can we be? We are in Nyabohanse,
Exactly.
the place where I want to be at this time. Before I go back to my village in Bungoma, Kabukoya village, I wanted to do this. So guys, we'll be seeing more of this back in my village. Yeah. I'm glad I came with my gumboots. Mani kanyaka pale tanguka chini.
No.
This is great. This is very great. Water is, they say water is life. And here we are, walking on top of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Unaweza stopisha hapo. Hii thumbnail itakuwa ya kesho. Ha?
Haistopishi.
Finya juu ya katikati.
Yeah.
We are still touring this river. I've seen here kettles come to drink water here. You can see how they have eroded the soil there. Cows do come to take their water here. Cows do come to take their waters here. I don't know where to step, but that's how it seems. So green, so quiet. The sound of water makes you feel like it brings about the feeling of lulling, yeah, sleepiness, meditation. You can sit here and meditate on life, getting in touch with nature, connecting with nature. Very nice. So when you sit here, you can be in touch with nature in a nice way. That's where the river is heading to. A lot of lantana. We call this bush lantana. And it's found along riverbanks, most of the riverbanks in Africa. And it is a bit spiky. So when you're holding the lantana, you have to be careful, very careful. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. I am underscore Nyabohanse, and it's a beautiful Sunday morning, early in the morning. And I want to thank my subscribers wherever they all are in the world. This being a Sunday, I pray to God that may God bless you all wherever you are. May He go before you. And also pray that He covers all of you with His blood in the mighty name of Jesus. So we are heading to Gitiriba's construction site. As they say, the early bird catches the worm. So we are the early birds trying to go catch the worm. And that's how we do it. We have to wake up early and go look for work. This is what we do best. I told you, when I'm in back in my village, we wake up very early. By 5, 6, we have already woken up. So don't be surprised that I'm waking up today, being on a Sunday, to go, because they promised us work today. And I pray that God will bear with me, because His mercies are forever. He's a merciful God, and I know He's a forgiving God. So so I know it's going to be a beautiful day, and may God also go ahead before us and bless us, the works of our hands, in all the ways that He can do. So I am a blessed person, and God is taking care of me. So my viewers, keep on following me, keep on subscribing, keep watching my videos from start to finish for the watch hours, and keep commenting and viewing and sharing. Thanks a lot, and good morning and good evening. Good morning, good evening. I've just arrived at Gitiriba's construction site, and work has not started, but there is work. So the early bird catches the worm, and that is the bird that came early. So I hope to catch the worm here at Gitiriba's construction site. You can see work is ongoing, and maybe many stones or boulders will be brought today, so that work can proceed. I think they are going to do screeding on these pillars as for today. So guys, keep on watching, keep tuning, and watch Nyabohanse's channel. and watch from start to end all my videos. I'm chasing the watch hours. Thank you very much.
You're very tired.
Wow, we are here. I am Naliaho. I am underscore Naliaho. We are here at Gitiriba's construction site doing a back-breaking job. I'm digging the trench, and it's not easy, but we are trying. We signed up for it, so here we are doing it. So keep on watching, tune in and watch from beginning to the end, and so that I can achieve the 4,000 watch hours and also subscribers. I want to get to 2,000 subscribers. So subscribe, and comment, and also view, and also like and share. Thank you so much. Let us get it on. What was I doing? Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I am underscore Naliaho, and we've just finished. We've just finished a back-breaking job here at Gitiriba's construction site. This is what you've done. We've been filling these 19 pillars. This is one of the pillar, and you can see it's filled to the brim. Yes, and there are all 19 of them, and we filled them. It has been a very tiresome job. It was not an easy feat to achieve, but we have done a tremendous job here, and we thank our God for all the help and energy, because our energy levels were just falling. I've never done this job in a long time, but it's tough, working with the beams, pillars. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I pray you keep on tuning in. We are done here. Here we are at Gitiriba's construction site, and we're just knocking off work. We've done a lot of work, back-breaking job. I even thought maybe today I didn't go to church. I thought maybe God has decided finally to punish me today, because I felt like giving up in the middle of it. I've never done this in a long time, but wow, we've done a tremendous job. I can't believe I've done this. It was a back-breaking, and we've done a tremendous job here, and the people have been fantastic. Everybody has been fantastic, all the people. So guys, I pray that you keep on watching my videos from the beginning to the end, so that I can get the 4,000 watch hours. I can get to the 4,000 watch hours. Keep on subscribing, so that I can also get to 2,000 subscribers, man. so that when I go back to Bungoma, I'll be a happy person and continue giving you good views, good videos and interesting videos, doing interesting vlogs, my village life, and also my farming. So guys, watch the videos from the beginning to the end. And to some of you who I did not communicate this, I've made a playlist. So wherever you are, you can just switch on get to the playlist and play all. Press the button play all, even when you are sleeping or you're while you're away, so that we can get to the 4,000 watch hours. So guys, as I knock off, I thank you, my subscribers, because you are my family, the only family I have here in Nyabohanse. And I thank you. I pray that you keep on subscribing, and watching my videos. Continue also commenting, because your comments shape us as YouTubers. Continue liking my videos and viewing everything and sharing. Guys, you are the best people, my subscribers. We are all Team Marwa. We are Team Marwa, Team Marwa, Team Marwa, the commando, the king of YouTube. We are one team, and it's been tremendous. I'm happy to be here in Nyabohanse village. It is now, I don't know, maybe 5 o'clock or 5:30 in Nyabohanse village, East Africa, Kenya. And I am underscore Nalyaho from Bungoma County, Habukoya village. It's been nice communicating with you, chatting with you, and showcasing myself here in the Nyabohanse village. So guys, thank you so much. I love you so much. May God bless you all wherever you are. Thank you.